Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will help to resolve the problem if your Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum won't connect to Wi-Fi network. Follow each step and you should be able to fix the connection issue. Let's start it. If your Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum not connecting to Wi-Fi, then unplug your Wi-Fi router, modem, or extender from power, wait about 60 seconds. Now, plug them back in. After the power cycle, your robot vacuum will connect to the Wi-Fi network. If your Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner not connecting to Wi-Fi network, then you can change the network bands. Because the Shark robots are compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks only. If you have a dual-band Wi-Fi router, make sure you're selecting the 2.4 GHz network during setup. You need to restart your robot vacuum. Sometimes, when it not able to connect your Wi-Fi network, then turn off the robot by holding the power button for 5 seconds, then place it back on its dock to restart it. Also, restart the phone you are using to set up the Shark AI Ultra Robot, as this can resolve communication issues between the phone and the robot. In the Shark Clean app, delete the robot from your account. Then again add the robot vacuum. You can also remove the app from your smartphone. Now, reinstall it. Here, you need to start the setup process again. Ensure you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Sometimes, due to incorrect password, your Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum can't able to connect with the Wi-Fi network. If you're using a password with special characters, you'll need to change it. In some cases, your vacuum cleaner won't accept passwords with special characters. If these steps won't able to fix the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Wi-Fi connection issue, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos.